In this video, I will be guiding you through how to get your friend or crush to fall in love with you. Make sure you stay to the end. The last 3 steps will amaze you. It's not uncommon for people to fall in love with their close friends, but getting that same friend to fall for you in return can be a challenge. While there's no way to guarantee a change in someone else's feelings, there are a few things you can do to increase the odds of making a friend fall in love with you. For instance, dropping hints about your feelings, becoming a shoulder to lean on, and knowing when to back off can all encourage your friend to start viewing you in a more romantic context. The following steps will help you get your friend and crush to fall back for you. Stay to the end of this video and make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification for more helpful tips that will help you up your love approach game. Step 1. Attempt to become their best friend. Don't just be any other friend, become someone that they couldn't live without, someone who listens to all their problems and always helps out when times get hard. You need to establish a connection like no other, something that neither of you could live without. If they trust you, they'll be more likely to give you chance when it comes to love. However, it's important to be genuine with your friendship. It's icky to befriend someone just so they'll date you. Tell your crush more about yourself, your dreams, wishes, and sorrows. It's possible for love to grow where there previously wasn't any, but they have to think of you as a person with real goals, successes, and problems instead of just a friend. The more they are able to see parts of you that others don't see, the better off you'll be. Make them feel special. Let them know that they are your friend and that you value them in a unique way. Compliment them for their company and for being there when you needed them, times when you felt sad and all alone. Show appreciation for the comfort the person offers you and for making you smile. Always dream with them, build with them, cheer them on, and encourage them. Point number 2. Give them a hint. Before you two get too close and pass the "I love you as a friend" line or become too much of a sibling-type figure, you need to give them hints that you might like them as more than a friend. Try simple harmless flirts, comments, or something that would make them tell you that you're sweet, but also make them think a moment longer about the comment and wonder if there is another deeper meaning to it all. This is very tough to do with words, because you don't want to make them think you're friends just in order to get in a relationship. In the beginning, stick to flirting with your body. Don't pass up that chance to sit shoulder to shoulder with them or brush your hand against theirs. Look them in the eye, and smile a lot. Gradually move on to flirting with words. Tell her how much you admire her. Tell her how special she is to you. Tell her she makes your day easier to get through. But remember, a little hinting goes a long, long way. If you're gushing to her every 20 minutes, she could begin to feel uncomfortable as friends and start to distance herself from you. Step 3. Be a shoulder to lean on. Be someone they can always turn to for reliable advice. If you're there when times get rough, they'll look at you like a problem solver and trust you more. You'll also be someone they feel safe and secure around. Do not give up too easily. When you notice hints coming from their end, you know you're getting somewhere. If your hints haven't really gotten through, however, try not to be so subtle. Being more obvious can be helpful because some people are used to being flirted with by their friends and acquaintances. Step 4. Get your crush one-on-one. This one is important. If you never see them when it's just the two of you, work toward that goal. The trick is to make it not look like a date when you ask them, but feel like a date when they get there. For instance, you might say you're in Lagos Island for a cool-off and you want an awesome friend to distract you from your work instead of, "Hey, do you wanna get coffee later on, just you and me?" Make them a mixtape of your favorite music. The music you listen to can show a whole other side of you, so it's a great way to help your crush understand you better. It also sends them a subtle message that you enjoy sharing personal things with them. Be sure to include music that you think she might like. You could be setting yourself up for a fall if she only listens to Burna Boy and you give her P-Square. After you give her your mix, ask her to make one for you. If you're enjoying this video, comment "One Love Dan Bello," give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification. Step 5. Play hard to get. Try backing off a little. This can be important because it lets your crush know what they are missing when they don't see you. It might make your friend think about all the ways you make their life fuller, richer, and more enjoyable, so they'll be eager to see you in no time. When you're sure that you are getting somewhere, back off a little. If you see them every day, avoid them for 2 days or so, no contact. They might just end up missing you and really understanding how deeply they feel for you. But make sure you have a valid reason for being away when they ask. You don't want to be caught in a lie, or look like you're avoiding them on purpose. Step 6. Listen to feedback directly from them. Don't worry about what friends say about how your crush feels about you, because, as we all know, information can get distorted. It's like a game of telephone. Your crush tells something to their other friend, who tells it to a completely different friend, who gossips to someone else, and pretty soon the message has changed completely from what it originally was. Tune out any noise that isn't coming directly from your friend. Be persistent and continue to do fun things with them. Studies show that doing something exciting, daring, or adventurous together helps both of your brains release a chemical, called norepinephrine, that is associated with romantic feelings. Try going to the beach, that haunted house, or an exciting game, anything that might cause the two of you to jump, scream, or wriggle with excitement. Important tips. Remember, patience is the most important thing you need to have to make this work. It could take a long time before your crush sees in you what you see in them. Show them who you really are and be yourself. You want them to like you for you. That way, if they end up liking you, they really like the essence of you. It's also worth a try to be vulnerable and tell them how you feel directly. Look deep into the other's eyes when you talk. Eyes contain the most emotion a person can show. Don't lie. A relationship like this depends on trust. If you guys get together, be careful because some things might change. It could be a big departure from a friendship. With these few points, I hope you'll be able to win your crush's heart. If you find this video helpful, comment down below, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification to see more of our videos like this. Stay guarded until we meet in my next video. Bye.